Right, camera, action.
Let us identify our problems as citizens in this new world we are now living in. Times have changed, and worldwide governments wander aimlessly, creating uncertainty in us. Poverty, insufficient salaries and pensions, inability for building up personal savings and no access to credit, unemployment, social and medical services disappearing, low quality education, unstoppable household evictions, state and public administration corruption, and a long list of which we all know about and are suffering at present. We come from times of crisis and scarcity, and we are heading for times of shortage, recession, desynchronized salaries and pensions, and general poverty. We are stepping into a future which is bringing us social depression, collective anxiety, and widespread sadness. Let us now propose simple alternatives. You do not know yet that there is another way of living applying only 2 drastic changes to our own country's policies. 1. Changing our old-fashioned, outdated economic model for another based on a social, unlimited e-currency model. And 2. Directly participating in our own country's parliaments, aiding them in stopping their unlawful manner of taking irrational decisions that collectively hurt us as citizens. Upon changing these 2 obsolete models for new ones, advantages for all of us become evident. Personal and national wealth for all social layers. We who are located down there will stop social and economical suffering, and those who are located up there will continue to produce income. It is a win-win situation. The end to taxes and interest and commissions over lent capital. A new mega-industrialization never before seen, not even in biblical times. The end to unemployment, labour for all for decades. Many more outstanding advantages of which we will be speaking within our next videos. We call the proposed change a system. A new system which replaces the present one we all know of and which is leading us to widespread misery. The full name is the Social Citizens System. It is based on futuristic technology but brought to our present day. There's nothing new in it. It was applied successfully throughout history, but it relied on the human factor. Therefore, in all cases, it finished off by corrupting social welfare and economies. The social citizens system grants each and every citizen whatever he or she may need. A minimum decent salary or pension, then they will receive a good enough one. Commercial or business richness, then they will be able to work hard and achieve personal wealth with help from the system. Better, multiplied welfare or health assistance, then they will receive them multiplied. A participative democracy, then they will have a means of achieving their collective political goals. Because there will be indefinite amounts of private and social money to spend with our proposed system in the near future. Whatever any rank of citizen may need, he or she will be able to fulfill without any persecution or intimidation by any government, institution, multinational, lobby or public administration. What we are proposing is to place a stop to the human factor and let novel concepts such as a citizens' parliament, artificial intelligence and blockchain technology take place instead of human intervention in order not to fall again into state abuse and misuse of our social and economic resources, as is happening right now and has been happening for the last decades. And now arises the question: what is a citizens' parliament? What is blockchain and how can we apply it together with artificial intelligence to drastically improve our way of living? That is precisely what we aim to explain to all in our next set of videos. Stay alert. There we go then. Bon voyage.
Power off. Let's go.